Okay, today we're going to install a remote entry keypad. Here's how you do it. And you're going to have your access code that'll come on this little credit card. To get into it and find out what communication you're using, whether it's 1 or 2, you're going to hit the 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 0 button all at the same time. And then it's going to rapidly blink. Now we can put in our code that'll come on this little credit card. So now we can see it rapidly blinking 3 times. We know that's in communication type 1. So we're good to go. We can go ahead and program this to the van. Let's say it was only blinking 1 red light every second. That means it's in communication type 2 and you need to change that. So how you would change that is you would press the 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 0 button all at the same time. Let it rapidly blink to let you know you can get in with your access code, and you'll find that on the little credit card. After you punch that access code in, 3 red blinks, which means you're in type 1, or 1 slow blink, which means you're in type 2. If you're in type 2, you need to press the 1, 2 button to change it to type 1. Then press 5, 6 to enter that in, and then you're good to go, and then you can program it. If for some reason you needed to be in type 2, you can actually punch the access code in, and then you press the 9, 0 button and then the 5, 6 button for enter. But if you're doing a Ford Transit, you want to be in communication type 1, you want this blinking rapidly, 3 blinks per second. Okay, so now that we know we got the keypad in communication type 1, we're going to go ahead and program it to the van. And you need to have all of your keys at the same time to do this, because it's going to erase all of the codes once we go into the programming mode on the van. So to do that, we'll go over here, we're going to hit the unlock button, and then we're going to take our key and we're going to put this into the ignition, and you turn it on and off 8 times rapidly in less than 6 seconds, and then you'll hear a chime letting you know that it's in programming mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we can hit the key fob. That's confirmation that it's programmed. We'll hit the other key fob, and then we'll hit the 7, 8, 9, 0 button at the same time, and you heard the key tone on that. So now to get it out of programming mode, you take it back to the on position, and then you can take the key out. Or after 10 seconds, it'll back out of the programming mode. So now let's make sure all this works. So we're gonna go lock, unlock, that's programmed. Let's get our other set of keys. Lock, unlock. All right, and now if we did everything right, the keypad should lock the door when we press 7, 8, 9, 0 at the same time. To put in your own personal code, you're going to get the access code and you're going to punch that in. As soon as you punch that in, you're going to hold the 1, 2 button for 1 second, and then the 9, 0 will flash 2 times to let you know you're in programming mode. Then you can add your personal 5-digit number, and then once you do that, you'll hear the doors lock, unlock, and then lock, letting you know that it's been programmed. And then the 9 button will flash again to let you know that it's gone out of the programming mode. We put our keypad above the door lock, and we punch our code in, it unlocks the driver's side door only. But if we hit the 3, 4 after our code, it opens up the back door, the sliding door, and the passenger door.